Hello guys, welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use slide transitions. These are what video pros do that you don't. Video transitions are the bridges between your shots, and their primary purpose is to smoothly guide the viewer's eye from one piece of footage to the next, maintaining flow and often conveying a sense of time, location, or even emotional shift. So we are going to use Adobe Premiere Pro for this to learn how to do that, but you can do the same with any video editor. So let's open Adobe Premiere Pro, and inside here, drag in the clips you want to transition between. This could be the phone shots, product angles, or any visuals you like. Now, click on the first clip, head over to the Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, look for the Scale option. At the start of the clip, click the stopwatch to create a keyframe, then move to the end of the clip and increase the scale just a bit. You can go from 100 to 115. This gives the clip a slow zoom in. Now, let's create the slide transition. Use the razor tool to cut the clip right before the zoom in ends. Select the end part of the outgoing clip. In the effect controls, go to position. At the start of that cut, create a keyframe, then move a few frames forward and slide it off the screen to the left. Next, click on the second clip. We'll animate it sliding in. Set the position so it starts off screen to the right. A few frames later, bring it back to the center, and this creates a smooth slide in. Now, let's add speed ramping. Right click on the clip and go to show clip frames, time remapping here, and then to speed. Drag the middle section up to speed it up, then tighten the slides for smoother ramp. Now, we will add motion blur using an adjustment layer. Go to File, to New, and then to Adjustment Layer. Drag it above your clips and trim it to cover only the transition part. Go to the Effects panel and search for Directional Blur. Drag it onto the adjustment layer. In Effects Controls, set the duration to 0 degrees for horizontal movement. Set the blur length to around 30. Create keyframes for the blur. Start with 0, go up to 30 at the middle of the swipe, and back to 0 at the end. This will give your slide a nice professional motion blur. And here is a quick tip. Add a whoosh sound effect during the swipe. It adds more energy and makes the transition feel clean and intentional. And we're finished. That's how to make cinematic slide transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using scale, position, speed ramping, and motion blur. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.